Good morning, second graders. Happy Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Today I would like you to complete the following for language arts. You will need your PLP out and you can color them in as you go. The first thing I want you to do is to take out your Journeys book, open to page 244 to 261, and I want you to read Gloria, Who Might Be My Best Friend, to a parent, a sibling, or anyone else that's home and around you. If you can't find someone to read to, you can go ahead and read it to a stuffed animal, or you can read it to me on Seesaw. The second thing I want you to do is log into Raz Kids and read a book, and then take the comprehension quiz. Then I want you to click on this lesson, this link here. It says listen to the lesson. It's a lesson that Mrs. Mettert did for you. And then I want you to complete the challenge IXL DD1 on idioms, which is a 4th grade IXL. Remember, this is review, but idioms is hard, so try your best. If you need a grown-up to help you, then they can go ahead and help you. And if you get to over 80 and you get shot back down, you can go ahead and stop. Read to self for 30 minutes today, and then I want you to free write for 20 minutes and then upload that to Seesaw for Mrs. Mettert and Miss Larson to look at. I'd like you to take a picture of it and then record yourself reading what you wrote. And then lastly, make sure you color in all of your items on your PLP. You can click on this link here and it will tell you which items that we did today with this checklist. Thanks. Have a great day. Go ahead and message me on Seesaw if you need anything, or send me a video if you need help with something or something is confusing.